I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your source. Duplicate the clip and work on the copy. Once done, open waveform and enable spectral frequency so you can see late reflections versus direct sound. Next, play and loop a short problematic passage, then mark it with the time selection tool. Make sure to set a sensible playback level so you hear subtle echoes. These steps let you isolate the issue and prevent accidental destructive edits before you apply restoration tools like de reverb or EQ. You now run de reverb from Effects Noise Reduction/Restoration and start with conservative amount settings. Listen while reducing the tail to avoid hollowing the voice. Once you have basic reduction, add a parametric EQ and sweep with a narrow Q to find resonant peaks caused by room reflections, then apply gentle cuts of 2.6 dB. Make sure to preview small segments and toggle a /B frequently so you preserve clarity while removing echo. If artifacts appear, back off the de reverb. Finish by addressing any remaining smear. Run adaptive noise reduction very gently to avoid pumping, and then apply subtle compression and limiting to bring voice presence back. Once done, listen on multiple speakers or headphones to confirm echo removal across systems. If you still hear echo, try spectral repair to attenuate specific late reflections, or consider re-recording with mic repositioning and room treatment. This is often the only definitive fix. Troubleshooting tip: if processing creates metallic artifacts, reduce effect amounts and re-evaluate EQ cuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.